On today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play some new wave R&B guitar. We're going to get into a lot of sauce here in a minute. We're going to just start off with these chords, and then each level will get progressively more complex. You can follow along with the tabs. Start off just playing these chords. Let's arpeggiate it. Hammer-ons and pull-offs now. All right, let's add a minor 7 for that E flat. All right, next, let's do a different shape for that B. For all my music nerds out there, I want to give you an explanation of why these chords work. So this beat I made that I'm going to actually have for you so you can download it and practice along. This beat is in the key of G flat major, right? And the way we figure out what chords are going to sound good in the beat is we got to know the number system. So G flat major. So you could play G flat, that'll sound good. A flat minor, B flat minor, B major, which is how we got that chord, D flat major, E flat minor, or F in the root, and then D flat on top, right? So we could play all these chords because they're all in the parent key, right? If you understand that, you could start understanding all these different inversions that we're talking about. So instead of just playing B flat here, you can play B flat here, or here, or here, right? You could start understanding and seeing and visualizing the entire fretboard rather than just being like shackled to just the shapes you know. Yeah, the number system, absolutely clutch to learn, right? You can be free up and down the neck. So instead of playing, you know, D flat right here, you can play it right here, or right here, or right here, right? All the way up and down the neck. So I encourage you to understand the number system. I actually have a free PDF for you if you're still confused about it. It goes into a much more detail. It's completely free. I'll have the link below. I'll also have the link to download this beat so you could practice. And I want to just hear your ideas. If you feel like posting a video you playing guitar, tag me, Soulful Guitar Lessons. Thanks so much for tuning in. I'll see you very soon.